So hello everyone, this is me Anamika and this is my channel Anamika Bin 21. You all know that I have a keep challenge 1 to 30 days, that how I do practice every day. I will share all the things because of this challenge, and I will show to you all power of consistency. So most of people, they are new here, so I would like to introduce about myself. So dear friends, my name is Anamika and I am 21 years old. I am from Uttar Pradesh. If you talk about my education qualification, so I have a completed graduation and I am a private teacher and YouTuber too. So friend, that's all about myself, and I am going to show you my village view. And this is evening time, and actually my home is beside two road, so I know many vehicles voice are coming in this video, but don't think about that. Think what I am saying, listen to me. So friend, many people, they are asked to me that how they can speak English. So I want to say, if you know about tense, so friend, do practice. Without practice it is not possible. And if you think that here is any trick for you so that you can improve your English in a just 1 month, in a just 2 months, so friend, if you want to know from my mouth, so it is, there is no any trick. You should do hard work and you should focus on your language, then you can achieve this fluency, because it will take time. And you all know that we are live in a village, most of people, and no one wants to speak English here in our village, and here is no any environment. Without practice, how you will speak fluently? Tell me how. If I want to say excellently, excellent, so how I will say? First I will try to pronounce them 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, then I will pronounce well. So think about it. Here is no any trick for one day you can be a fluent speaker. It is not possible. If I talk about myself, so I have been learning this language since 2024, and still I am learning this language. So friend, just think, yeah, this is not Herculean task, this is piece of cake. If you enjoy your journey, so this is piece of cake for you. And don't take stress because of this knowledge, because earlier I used to take stress, but not longer now. Nowadays I am not taking any stress. I just try to speak, and if I learn any new word, so I just try to use them in my daily life. And you should do too like this. So friend, as you can see, this is my guava plant, and I love plant because I like to plant the plant. So friend, you can see this is chair and the vegetables on the chair, and you can see, actually I have taken mic, so how I will show you, wait, like, so friend, you can see here are many vegetables, not many, that vegetable present at my home, and I will show you that how I do practice earlier. Like I was trying to know if this is called potato in English, but I don't know what is called. If you all also don't know that how to speak English, जैसे मैं इस आलू को नहीं जानती कि इसका इंग्लिश क्या है, तो मैं इसे देख रही हूँ, And now what I will do, I will search on Google, then I will try to use in my daily life. When I will saw the potato vegetable, when I will saw this potato, and then I will try to say in English this is called potato. You can do practice like this and try. If you are beginner, so try to use small sentence in your daily life. And this is called brinjal, and friend, this is called calicasia. I don't like vegetable of calicasia, but sometime I eat. And this is called elephant root. Friend, we all know that this is called fairy elephant root. Actually, most of people saying in Hindi suran. So most of people like to eat on the occasion of Diwali. So I also like to eat this vegetable. This is called in English elephant root. And this is called tomato. Tomato is very good for vitamin C. If you have a lack of vitamin C, so you should eat tomato, because this is very useful for vitamin C. And this is called garlic. And friend, this is called calicasia. And friend, this is what to say in Hindi. This is sarputia. We say in our native language, but in English, do you know what to say in English? It is called sarputia, but in English, if you don't know, so I am going to tell you. This is called cluster rich gourd. नेनुआ भी रहता है इसी प्रकार का. बोथ आर सेम, but their shape are different. So this is called cluster. This is called cluster rich gourd. और नेनुआ को इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं rich gourd only. So I hope you learn many things from these vegetable. You all can do practice like this, and this is my 9D, and I hope you all learn many things. So friend, why I am doing everything naturally? Because I want to show that how you can do practice. I hope this video is very informative for you all. Actually, I am not going to make this video long because I have a very bad head in my head. So that is the reason. Actually, nowadays I am taking much stress because of school, because exam about to come, my students exam about to come. So I will have to make exam paper. So that is the reason I am not getting time, and I am taking much stress. So friend, I hope you all are doing great, and I will meet you tomorrow in next video with another topic. Thank you very much all of you. Keep watching.